Hello students of class 9th, I am Prabha. In my previous video, part 5 of People as Resource, I had explained you about unemployment. In that part, I have explained you about definition, types, causes and consequences of unemployment. In this video, part 6 of People as Resource, I will explain you about remaining part of unemployment. They are as educated unemployment, a peculiar problem of India, measures to mitigate the problem of the educated unemployment in India, possibility to build employment opportunity in India and detrimental impact of unemployment. Let me explain one by one. The first topic is educated unemployment, a peculiar problem of India. Students' educated unemployment is the situation wherein a number of educated youth are not able to find suitable jobs. It is a peculiar problem of urban India. In the present education system, even after about 18 years of education, a person can remain unskilled. A large number of unskilled educated youth get churned out of educational institution year after year, but only a fraction of them are able to find suitable jobs. Some remain unemployed while others get employed in activities that seem inadequate as per their potential. This in turn leads to the wastage of the huge amount of resources that had been spent on educating them. The next topic is how to mitigate the problem of the educated unemployment. Students, measures to mitigate the problems of the educated unemployment are as the first is to make education career oriented at the secondary level. To mitigate the problem of the educated unemployment, make education at the secondary level more career oriented, which would endow individual with not only education but also the requisite skills for gaining successful employment. The next is to introduce newer subject and field of study related to job opportunities. The introduction of newer subject and field of study at the school level should be accompanied by a growth of job opportunity in the particular sector that would employ the students electing to study such subject. The next is to create a sort of screening process to choose subject according to ability of an individual. There should be create a sort of screening process where by each individual chooses subjects that is suitable according to their ability. All these are the steps which can be utilized to mitigate the problem of the educated unemployment. The next topic is possibility to build employment opportunity in India. The way by which more employment opportunity can be created in India are as the first is development of infrastructure for agriculture work. If more irrigation facility provided to all the farmers along with cheap credit facility and crop insurance, it may be increased more employment opportunity in primary sector. The next is through investment in tertiary sector. Investment in tertiary sector like transport, storage, education, health, communication, etc. may create more employment opportunity in tertiary sector in which more people can be employed. The next is to motivate people for self-employment. By providing technical training and vocational guidance to unemployed youth for self-employment, employment opportunity can be generated among unemployed people. Next is through improvement in education and health. Improvement in education and health. A large number of employment can be created in education and health sector in rural areas also. The next is through promotion of local industries. To promote and locate industries, especially the cottage and small scale industries in semi rural areas where a large number of people may be employed. All are the steps which can be utilized for building employment opportunities in India. The next topic is detrimental impact of unemployment. Students, what are the detrimental, that means negative impact of unemployment? The first is cause of poverty. Unemployment is one of the biggest cause of poverty in India. Prolonged period of unemployment can push household into debts and increase rates of relative poverty. The next is harms future prospect. Those who are unemployed will find it more difficult to get work in the future also. Next is creates stress and health problem. Unemployment creates depression, mental anxiety and health problem. Death by suicide and violence among people. The next is increase in social problem. Unemployment tends to have more crime and violence. It can lead difficulties in integrating young unemployed people into society. The next is increased government borrowing and decreasing GDP for the economy. Due to unemployment, government provide income support to unemployed population. These population not paid any tax to the government and increased government borrowing. Due to unemployment, economy of a country cannot operate with full capacity. This will lead to lower output and income. The unemployment are also unable to purchase as many goods and government received lower tax and decreased GDP of the economy. Students, now the chapter People as Resource is completed. If you have any confusion, you can ask in the comment section of this channel. Please like, share and subscribe for latest updates.